Alright, now today's the day. Let's go ahead and install our Vibrance Performance Muffler 10632 on our X5. I hear a lot of people saying that it sounds just like the MP, just a little deeper. Let's go see if it's true. Come on. Alright, so we brought the car over here to Roadrunner Muffler, installing the Vibrance Performance 10632. They're working on it right now, so let's see how it's gonna go. And let's see how it sounds. Let's see if it's really gonna sound like an MPE, but with just the deeper tone like everybody says. So we'll see soon, right? As you guys know, I went ahead and installed the Vibrance Performance 10632. Everybody said that it sounds similar to MPE. It does sound like an MPE, just it does have that deeper tone. I mean, if you're gonna get this muffler, I really think you should get it because it sounds nice. And right now I'm running catless downpipe, so it's straight just to the muffler, the Vibrant muffler. That's what the Vibrant Performance Muffler sounds like, the 10632. I'm gonna be leaving a link down in the description, so go ahead, check out that link. If you're thinking about getting this mod, go ahead and do it. It sounds good, and it's a lot cheaper than that $1,000 in the MPE. And for that, to have that same sound with the deeper, more aggressive tone, I believe this is worth it. So it's up to you guys to decide. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Comment if you guys want some more revs or anything, or you guys have any questions, just shoot me a comment down. I'll gladly respond. If you want to follow me, I'll be linking down my Instagram on the description and having that Amazon link for the muffler. If you go ahead and click that link if you're thinking about getting it, way better than the MPE, way better than spending $1,000 just on a muffler. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thanks.